Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 14.2 of chapter 14, statistics. The seventh question, a pretty simple one, but just needs a slight understanding. So it states that the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is as follows. So were you aware that pi had up to 50 decimal, like so many digits after the decimal point? All we learned was pi is equal to either 22 by 7 or 3.142. But here we have the number of digits after the decimal to be 50. Okay, and now in your textbooks it's written as one entire number. But if I would have written it like that, then it would be very confusing. So it's written something like 3.1425925 and so on up to 50 digits. Okay, so that would be very difficult for us to solve the question. So what I have done is, the number before the decimal I have written in a different color, that is 3 point, and these numbers are continued after the decimal. So there are 50 numbers starting from here to here. Okay, now we need to make a frequency distribution table of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point, and we have to write down what are the most and least occurring digits. So we will find out this answer by looking at the frequency distribution table itself. But since they've already told us that we have to take numbers 0 to 9, it is obvious that we are going to draw an ungrouped frequency distribution table. So here we are going to write the digits, that is from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2. We are going to write down the tally marks and frequency and find the solution to the second sub question. So let's get started. So I'll say digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and finally total. So the total should be equal to 50 out here, which we will confirm towards the end. So let's get started with 0. We have 0 occurring no number of times, so I'll say none. You can put a dash or you can, and the frequency remains 0. Okay, now let's proceed with 1. So let's see the number of times that 1 is occurring. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think 4 is appearing just 4. 1 is appearing just 4 times. So let's write this down. 1 occurs 4 times. Let's proceed with the other category, which is 2. So let's see 2. You have 1, you have 2, you have another 1, 3, then 4, just 5, and yeah, that's it. So 5. Now 3. So we have to notice only that we have to take a look at the numbers only after the decimal. So we are not going to take into account this number before the decimal, which is 3. So we'll take the counts of 3 only from after the decimal point. So there is 1, there is 2, there is 3, 4, then 5, then another 1, then 2 and 3. So this is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now let's proceed with the other category, that is 4. So I have 4 out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So 4 is occurring 4 times. Let's check 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is also occurring 5 times. Let's check the other number, that is 6. So I'm going to strike down all the 6's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 is appearing 4 times. So you have a combination of 6 and 4s. Okay. 7. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check for 8. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I just realized that there is 0 occurring once. So I'm going to change this and write 1. How about 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. So there is no more 9. So this is going to be 8. This was 5. And I see some values that have not been striked out. Let's see which are the values. You have 0 out here, which is not strike. So I think I've taken into account this 0. It's here. Then there is another one. So another one. So this count is going to be 2. And there is another 1 over here. So let's check 1. We add another 1 here. So this is going to be 5. Let's see if there is any other missing value from the table, from the data that is present. So nothing's missing. However, we are going to confirm and see whether this count is giving us 50. So let's check. You have 5 plus 5, 10. Then you have 8 plus 2, 10. So 20. Then you have, so this is 20. Then you have 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Then you have 5 plus 5 is 10. And then you have 8. So let's check this number. 8, 9, 10 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50. So this count is 50. That means we have striked off each observation and the frequency distribution table is complete. Now, using this frequency distribution table, we need to write down the most occurring and least occurring digits. So we are going to, for the most occurring digit, we are going to see the highest frequency. Where is the highest frequency? You observe that the highest frequency is here and here. So the most occurring digits are with highest frequency, that are 3 and 9. So 3 and 9. And what about the least occurring digit? The least occurring digit, as you can see, the one with the least frequency is 2. Least frequency 2 is 0. So what is the least occurring digit? It is 0. So here is the solution to the question. Please take a look. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.